Frank Walker, and this is a Marriage Minute. It's April. We're in the middle of spring. So what are you thinking about spring cleaning? It's that time of year where you kind of open the windows, clean the windows, do the things that you need to do. What's on your list? And are you getting people involved in that list? Are you doing the things that you need to do in spring to kind of be prepared for the new weather and the chance to be outside, washing the windows, cleaning things up, moving things around? Make a list, follow through on that list, get it done, and feel better about yourself, feel better about the house, and everyone will feel better that things are fresh and clean and it's a new season and a new world, okay? So do some spring cleaning, get a list, get some folks to help you, okay, with that list. Don't do it all yourself, and get the house refreshed for the new season, and maybe even get your own self refreshed for this new season, okay? God bless. Thanks for watching.